Right. So marketing your business for sale is a very critical thing. You got to do it in a strategic way that it helps preserve your value, preserve your integrity. With you don't really want to be telling your teammates, "Hey, we're selling the company," because that might make them leave. That's not a good thing. Uh, you got to be, those have the legal documents, the non-disclosure agreements. Right there is going to help you so much. you know, you got to make sure that you're not telling everyone, but you got to market in the right spot. There are key specific people. There's business brokers. They're going to help you with listing your company if you choose to. Um, Business brokers do tend to take a little bit percent of the cut. The smaller the company is, the probably the larger of a cut they're going to take because it will take more work to get your company ready to sell. Uh, when you're selling something that has 500,000 a year revenue, chances are it might be a competitor that you're selling to, or a maybe even just a friend of a friend. Um, but I always encourage you get the disclosures signed right up front. That's going to help protect you, and that's what I want to do in this is help you preserve your company through the stages of selling it, so that way you have something that's of real value keeping it going forward. So the things that you know people are going to be looking for is the financial performance. They're going to want to see a one-page summary. They're going to want to see your customer database in the beginning. You don't necessarily disclose, oh, we clean for XYZ place. What you could do is you could just say, hey, we have 205 customers that we clean on a bi-weekly basis. Our unique selling proposition is we deliver amazingly clean homes to those that just want to enjoy their time after they get off work. Our growth potential is right now we are at $500,000 revenue, and based upon our market research, we believe that this can grow to $1 million over the next 5 years by pulling these five levers of success. So, for example, I'm going to show you guys quickly breaking down what I just said. So you're going to have financial performance in there. A one-page summary is awesome in the beginning. Customer base, where they are, where they live, how many customers you got. So just showing a map in a circle could be a really great thing. Unique selling proposition. What is so unique about your company that someone else is needing to buy into your company to achieve that, and what your growth potential is. So what's really awesome about those things is, you know, that right there, if you got those in your business listing, the financial, customer database, unique selling proposition, and growth potential, that's going to help you with your valuation, your marketing channels. So what you can do with it is, without disclosing your company and without disclosing your location. For example, let's say you're selling in a company in Dublin, Ohio. You just list it as Columbus, Ohio. Or if it's Dayton, if it's Springfield, Ohio, say Dayton, Ohio, or Troy, Ohio, Dayton. So, instead of saying your local suburb, say a broad range of, overall where your client base is. And you're going to list it on online listings. You can do business brokers, word of mouth, and social media. I do caution you about word of mouth and social media. Those, can be a little bit more sticky because if word gets out, you're selling, you might start to churn through clients or worse, churn through technicians. So each channel does have its advantages and disadvantages. So I do want to say, make sure you choose the one that fits you best and that can fit your desires and needs. With a smaller company, a nice thing is about sometimes, having someone who knows someone that's in the local area, that's another businessman that's reputable, is that you can talk directly to that businessman, having them sign the disclosure agreement from the get-go. That will help protect your company. So you want to network you have a network of people. You can sometimes reach out to them and find out. But again, with that, you want to make sure that the disclosure is being agreed to. You're not telling loose lip people. And it's going to be kind of a marketing plan of the different websites they got different packages, different plans. Be astute with what you do. And again, one way to actually reach out is find someone that's in the field that you're in, and just calling up a random business person saying, "Hey, I'm Jojo," and say your real name though, by the way. Okay. So for me, I'm Caleb Pierce. Maybe you don't want to say your last name. I'm Caleb, and I believe your business owner might be interested in a call with me. Um, this will require that he signs a disclosure agreement, a non-disclosure agreement, and could I be transferred to your boss or to the owner of the company? And the average person, even at a $4 million company, is more like, this is someone who knows what they're talking about. They're going to help move you along to the right position, get you the right email. And a cool thing is about buying from someone local is you can meet with them over coffee, find out a little bit about their dreams, their passions, their desires. Maybe you already know about their company, because if you're selling, chances are it's to a larger company. They have their core values, their beliefs, their things that make them unique. And you can just tap into that and know that they're going to do stuff. So those right there are some selling tips. So again, you're going to want to know, you're going to want to create a business listing. And in that listing, what you're going to want to have is your financial performers, your customer base, such as where they are, how often their services being done, what rough demographics that they are, and then your unique selling position and what you feel like your growth potential is, and how, just your growth potential. So next video, what we got going on is we're going to be talking about finding the right buyer and helping you to select someone that can help bring it all the way through and what they're going to be looking at.